Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 4th. Yes, I think it's December 4th, 2024. Got a few projects I've got to do today. We've had light snow accumulation bit by bit. I'm taking the green machine, the Avant 860i, out right now. And we'll see just how well it handles in the snow here. And these are not the all-terrain vehicle tires on this the green machine. It's actually just the turf or grass tires. Oh Lord, it's been cold. We got a winter storm possibly hitting this afternoon and definitely tomorrow, so we'll have several inches of snow. Nothing really bad, but there's a couple things I want to do. I just emptied one of the IBC totes and stacked it on top of the other IBC tote of the Firewood. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to go up and grab the old IBC tote, bring this out back, bring a fresh one back. And I've got to move the avalanche. Whole story to the avalanche. Well, I listed it as an auction on eBay probably well over a month ago. Had a 7-day auction. It sold, and there are complications with the eBay. I want to call it dealership in a sense. It's a Carmel group, and man, I got to tell you, I'm really disappointed in them. So the first people weren't able to pay, so I canceled their bid, their winning bid, and went ahead and restarted the auction again. It sold again in 7 days, and I contacted people, let them know, and on. One challenging thing is people make bids on vehicles and they live in different parts of the country, and unfortunately they just don't have the foresight to check ahead of time to see what it costs for doing shipping. So it's more expensive than what they thought it was going to be, which is a challenge, of course. Nobody wants to hear that information, but they really wanted it. There's a whole rigmarole that you have to go through to set things up so that paperwork for the title, all of those things, since it's all done through eBay, which is a real hassle. Years ago, I sold my a Bronco 2 on eBay, and this is before they had this Carmel group, and it's a good idea. I think it's a good way of protecting people and all, but their service is really terrible. So that has been very frustrating. And so I've been in touch with the Carmel group, a few times. Been in touch with the buyer, the winner of the bid, and they really want the truck pretty badly, and they've arranged for a pickup, but when they try paying, because they pay the Carmel group, not me, and then when it's picked up, or when it happens in two different increments. For half of the amount is given to me, put into my account after they pick the truck up, and another half when the sorry about this, just trying to grab a hold of this bugger here. The other half is given to me when the title is given to them, and it can happen in either order. I just want to see the payment get to the Carmel group, which is the eBay service, the service that's provided by eBay for like a car dealership, the transfer of title and making sure everything's above board and all. Protects the buyer and protects the seller. But this is just not working out at all. So one of the things I'm going to do is bring the Avalanche out back by the Sugar Shack, because I'll probably end up having to cancel this because the Carmel group aren't able to help the people. They say, oh, they've already reached out to them and helped them, and they're telling me no, they aren't getting any help from them at all. So eBay's really falling short on that. Now, we've had really good success working with eBay with our book media sales that we have. That's one of the things Thea and I do. We sell used books and media on eBay, and that's worked out perfectly. Buyers like it a lot. They get some decent books that they otherwise wouldn't have a chance to get their hands on, or they'd be really expensive. So pull up here for a second, stop, put the parking brake on, be right back with you. Just got to open up the overhead door. Okay, let me see where my side shuttle is here. Okay. Okay, turn off the parking brake, reapproach here a little bit. I do like that the ground has been somewhat frozen here, which will make snow blowing much easier. The first couple times snow blowing can be a hassle. Didn't want to move quite that much. I'm going a little bit more. Okay, got to make sure the door closes here. Parking brakes off. So we'll go out back here. It's supposed to get high winds as well. They say 40 miles per hour, but that usually means we get 50, 60 mile per hour here. So just trying to make sure I've got things battened down on the homestead. Yeah, underneath, this is still muddy underneath here. I took the Cybertruck out, tore out yesterday, and drove around down here. Man, I love that truck. It does such a great job. And I may come out here and turn the leaf mold pile one more time, since we're going to get several inches of snow. That might just well be worth it. See if Elon fires up now. So now I have a little bit of I've got a problem with phantom drain. Little vampire power draw on Elon there. I got to figure out what that is, and I didn't get the battery disconnect installed yet. I really haven't gone out and done too much with this cold weather and all, I'll tell you the truth. Not as enthusiastic as I have been in the past. But with this light snow here, the Green Machine's handling this just beautifully. Love this Avant 860i. Does a great job. A little more air in the air suspension seat here. I got limbs down over in the first fruit forest. I have to take care of that soon. And I'll grab the jumper, the battery booster. Just took that out of the shop, put it in the house so it'd warm up a little bit. When it's in the 20s, no batteries really want to work all that well. So we will see if we can get things fired up here and working better. Yeah, this handles beautifully. Turn the fan off, turn the heated seat off, and we're out.